Hi my friends, today we model this part. Not so complicated. This drawing, the name is toggle button. We start by creating this cylinder of 18 on the full length, 42.4. Let's do this. Standard millimeters IPT. This plane, circle of 18, finish sketch, extrude on 42.4. Now we want to create this feature. To do this, we cut these sides. Remember 3.6. Remember 42.4 minus 23.2. This is the cut. We select this face. We draw a rectangle. Then on the same horizontal, this midpoint with the center point. On vertical, this point with the center point. Tangent, the two, this is by default, and the distance of 3.6. Okay, extrude, this and this on 42.4 minus 23.2, but with cut. Okay, we create the profile, this profile. This is tangent to the 42.4, radius is 5, distance is 14.8, but to the generator, my friends, not this line. Let's select a plane, this plane, for a new sketch. We project this face, not this line, yes, this face, and we cannot select other but this. F7, I didn't project this, I project now. I also project these two generators, 1, 2. Good. Now we draw lines. First line is this horizontal. Then we go with a slope line to somewhere here. Press the left button and go to this generator. Then tangent up and tangent to the right. Okay. Dimensions 5, and this is 14.8. There is a gap here, you see, So we have to draw this line. We also draw, no, this is not necessary. We have to get access to this contour and also this contour. I draw this line and why not, I draw a line here to be sure that we have two areas. Extrude one area, another area, symmetrical, cut all the way. Okay. Now this features two cylinders. You see dimensions here, 12.8, 7.6 and 30. Let's do this. The plane is XY. I forgot the distance. The distance is 13.2. F7. I draw a line up, left, down, left, down and close. The distance between this line and this point is 13.2. This line contains the center point. This is a center line, and dimensions, diameters are 7.6 and 12.8. Another distance is this one, 20 divided by 2 and 30 divided by 2 is the other one, which means 15. 30 divided by 2. We don't invent dimensions, my friends. We place equations, expressions, not dimensions that are not in the drawing. This is 20, this is 30. What do you think to do when this is 23.7? You calculate by heart? No. Be sure. Fully constrained sketch. Revolve. Okay. Then I place this hole, diameter 3.8, depth 6.8 with flat end. Okay. Hole, face, center, and this is a great hole here. Flat end, diameter of 3.8 and depth of 6.8. You see, there is not conical end here. Now these two features must be mirrored. Which features? This one and this one. What plane? YZ. Okay. Another hole is this one, 6, center here. Good. This is the face, this is the center, diameter is 6 through all. Okay. The last hole is in the bottom. It has 9.8, 12, 18.7, 1.4, 1.3. Let's create this nice hole. Line up at 18.7, then to the right we create this channel and we take care to get the alignment with the other. If I move this, also the small line is moving because they are collinear. This is center line. Dimensions are, diameters are 12, then 9.8. This distance is 1.4 and the other is 1.3. Fully constrained sketch, revolve, cut. Okay. Now we take a look here. All fillets are radius 0.5. What fillets? You see this, 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 and this too. Don't forget. This is a fillet 0.5. This is another, here, here, and here. Okay. I suppose that's all. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is almost identical with the other one. Only the last figure is different. Okay, I change the value in the drawing. We apply material as stainless steel. We use shaded, not shaded with edges, and we apply another light, default lights. Now let's compare the two. You don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.